Today we're going to find out if Azzaro Wanted by Night is better than Azzaro. Let's see. How you doing, fragrance people? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another video. If you're new to this channel for the first time, thanks for clicking on my video. On my channel, I talk about men's fragrance reviews, fragrances, unboxing, and free fragrance giveaways. If these three things sound good to you, please, all I ask is at the end of this video, consider hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button, and sharing this video with somebody that likes fragrances or fragrances reviews or free giveaways. So today we're going to be talking about a fragrance from the house of Azzaro, and this is Azzaro Wanted by Night. Azzaro Wanted by Night. This is the bottle presentation. Let's take a look at it. Very great bottle presentation. The cap has that holster with the bullets in it, like a gun, like a revolver. Very great. This right here is the batch code if you guys are looking for the batch code. 100 ml bottle right here. This price goes for 100 ml bottle for $70 up to $90 for this 3.4 ounce bottle right here. This fragrance here opens up with the notes of cinnamon, tobacco, Mandarin Orange. Very sweet, spicy type of fragrance. If you're looking for a fragrance that you want to wear to the club and you're tired of wearing a regular Azzaro, this is a great upgrade. If your Azzaro Wanted regular is kind of empty or almost on its way out, this is a great pickup if you already have the original. If you don't have the original one, you should try this one out first. You might like this one. The original is nice too. You can get that on discounters if you don't want to buy this for retail. I don't see this being on sale for a while, but if I do find on discounters, I will leave a link in the description below. This is for only right now. I see no exclusive at Macy's, but I feel like Sephora and Nordstrom will get it really soon. If I do find it somewhere else, I will leave the link below in the description. Azzaro Wanted. Let's talk about this fragrance here. Fragrance is I like the bottle presentation. And then once you pull the cap off, very heavy kind of cap, distribution is good. This fragrance here just opens up with a very nice tobacco, a cinnamon type of fragrance. Very sweet, very spicy type of fragrance. If you like fragrances like that, you will definitely like this fragrance right here. If you don't like spicy or tobacco fragrances, I wouldn't suggest picking this up, or do not blind buy this. Please don't. Go to the store and try it for yourself and smell it and see if you like this fragrance. Some people may not like tobacco. I know a lot of people don't like tobacco fragrances. My girlfriend's not a big fan of tobacco fragrances. There's a few that she do like, but she's very not. She doesn't really like it. I think it just reminds her of tobacco, like with cigarettes and stuff like that. I think that's why she doesn't really like tobacco, but this does not have that type of scent to it. Very great fragrance. At first, I didn't really like it at first because I did a first impression on it was okay, and then I did a review with Azzaro, this versus Azzaro Wanted. They're both okay fragrances. I don't go to the club that much, and I do have regular Invictus, so it's kind of redundant to buy the first Azzaro Wanted, but I picked this one up. I like the note of cinnamon, very nice, pleasing. Compliment factors, I got 2 compliments that work with this fragrance here saying they like it, they smell the cinnamon, so it's good. You know, I go to work, wear my fragrances at nighttime. People do get whiffs of it and like the fragrances. You know, I wear different fragrances, so either going to tell me it's good or it sucks, or hey, I want to buy that fragrance, what's it called? So, Azzaro Wanted by Night, eau de parfum. Okay, let's talk about the big elephant in the room, projection. You're going to get between an hour and a half to 2 hours of pushing projection. Very good. So I would be very careful if you're wearing this fragrance in the winter time. Maybe 3 sprays. If you're wearing it in the summertime, at nighttime, maybe 1 or 2 sprays. You don't want to offend anybody wearing this fragrance because it does push out a lot. And if you don't like cinnamon or tobacco, people around you may take coin this fragrance as being too strong for smelling it. All depends on your scenario, if you're indoors or outdoors, all depends. Longevity wise, I get between a good 7 to 8 hours on my skin, so it's not too bad. You know, almost get you through the work day. You know, might have to reapply it, but it's pretty good so far. If you have the original one and you're almost gone, I would suggest pick this one up, Azzaro Wanted, or you should go to your Macy's and try it out because it is kind of expensive. If you don't have either one of these, you should definitely try this one out. If you like to go to the club a lot and you're tired of wearing them all and everybody else has it, pick this one up. This will be a different one. This will be a keeper, and I believe you should get compliments when you go to the club wearing this fragrance here. I do believe that. This is Azzaro Wanted by Night eau de parfum. And if you guys have any questions about this fragrances, please leave a comment below letting me know. If you tried Azzaro Wanted, by Night Eau de Parfum or the original Azzaro, please let me know in the description. If you like men's fragrance reviews, fragrance unboxes, and free fragrance giveaways, just click the subscribe button right now. Leave a comment below, let me know you subscribe to the channel. And my fragrance free giveaway will be for Versace Dylan Blue, September 30th. I feel as if you guys watch my videos, you guys should get the information for fragrances, see unboxes, and you should get a chance to win a free fragrance giveaway. That's what you get for subscribing to my channel. Sometimes people say subscribe to my channel, but they don't get anything back in return free-wise. That's what I offer on my channel. If you like stuff like that, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching my video. Azzaro Wanted by Night. And the next video I'm going to do in a couple days will be my top 3 or top 4 Irish fragrances. So I hope you guys have a nice day. Until my next video, peace.